Greetings to you guys and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you something very useful you should have known, and you'll be very glad to know this, so stay tuned to the end. Now, if you plan to change your Windows, then you should know that by all means you are going to have to reinstall your drivers again as well. Otherwise, you can't use your machine to its optimum performance. But what if I told you that you can actually back up all the drivers you installed in your previous Windows operating system and reinstall them again after installing your new operating system, and all this is done in just 2 lines of code? Without further talking, let's dive into the video. So first thing first, we are gonna run cmd as administrator. And when it opens up, type the code you see on screen right now. In place of location to backup drivers, type the location where you want to save your drivers. In my case, I will create a folder on the desktop, call it drivers backup. And then to copy the location, there's a trick to this. Just hold shift, right click on the folder and select copy as path. Then in cmd, just paste it. Now take out the double quotes and hit enter. Then just wait for your machine to do its thing. When it's done, you should find your folder containing the backup drivers. You can open the folder and you will see that all the drivers have been backed up pretty nicely in subfolders. That's a good thing. Now, before you install your new Windows, make certain that you have copied this entire folder to an external storage media or a partition where you can access it again after reinstalling your new Windows OS. When you are done installing your new Windows OS, you can move your drivers backup folder back to your computer, in my case on the desktop. We open up cmd again as administrator. It's important that you open it as administrator, else you're not going to be able to reinstall the drivers. When cmd finally opens up, it's high time we reinstalled our drivers, that too in just another single line of code. Now type what you see on screen right now. Then you put in the location of the driver's backup. In my case, it's on the desktop, so I'm going to copy its location from the desktop and then paste it in the code. And the shortcut to this, which I told you earlier, is shift, right click on the folder, select copy as path, and then paste it in the code. Now make sure to add this to the code. It's very necessary. When you're done, just hit enter, and then all your drivers start to install one by one. If any dialog appears, make sure to accept installation and follow the process all the way to the end. After that, you've got all your drivers reinstalled in just 2 lines of code. No need to re-download the drivers again. So that was it, guys. Make sure to like the video And if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe as well. I share PC tips and tricks here, so make sure to keep that bell dangling so you get notified anytime I upload another video. Thanks for sticking to the end, and I'll see you again in another video. Goodbye, and I'm leaving. Cheers.